How's it going? Have you had this error when trying to log into your Fardriver? I'm Matt from Cycleworks, and we make crazy bikes like this, and this. And today I'm going to show you how to get rid of that code because it's very confusing. Okay, so I'm here with a Brute, and if you take a look at my screen, you're going to see that this error is popping up. And basically what it's telling you to do is use a WeChat program and download an update to do it on your Fardriver. The issue is you can't do this through the Fardriver app itself. If you contact Fardriver, they will probably send you a program and give you no advice on how to install that program. So the first thing you're going to do is go to the App Store and download WeChat. You're probably going to need to create an account, and you should be able to do that with your email or your Apple ID. WeChat is an interesting program because it actually allows you to have apps installed within itself. And I know that's very confusing, but what it means is there's an entire game store, app store, and communication system that allows you to run these things without actually installing them on your phone itself. So once you create your profile, you can go to the search function and copy the line of text that I have in the description of this video, search for that, and it's going to show the Fardriver icon in the app. The challenge is this entire app is going to be in Chinese, so you kind of just need to follow these steps in order to get through. So once you download that Fardriver app, you can open it up, and then we're going to use WeChat's onboard function to translate to English using AI. Now it should show everything in English, and you can make sure that the Bluetooth on your device is connected, and then use the feature through the app to connect to your controller. Once you're connected, you can go to the parameters page just like you do on the Fardriver app and make an adjustment to one of the settings. So let's start by adjusting the throttle voltage. I'm going to try to change my throttle voltage to 4.2 volts. And now what you're going to see is that it's going to tell you that you need to do a software update just like it did in the other app. You're then going to select the update and hit the update button. This is probably going to take around 3 to 5 minutes to do. And make sure your phone does not turn off, because if it turns off, it will restart the entire system. Okay, you have successfully updated the Fardriver programming. You can now clear out of this app and open up your Fardriver app. Okay, now that you're on the app again, you can bound to the controller itself, and you're going to see that error message has disappeared, and you can now change the settings that you need to change. And that's everything you need to know on how to update the programming on your Fardriver.